And I know I experienced a lot of that from my root cause because I didn't know the root cause. Like I had multiple sclerosis, Crohn's disease, all these sorts of things. But there was a root cause to all of those things. There was a root cause to the depression I felt, the anxiety. So let's talk about what it feels like. How do these unresolved emotions that we're feeling, that trauma, how is that contributing to our chronic mental health or chronic health problems?
Right. And as I'm sure you know, trauma can and does get stored in the body, right? Anytime we have a
Mm-hmm.
trauma, whether it's a physical trauma, an emotional trauma, if we're in a car accident, we obviously have trauma. But it's the ones
Mm-hmm.
that are not so obvious that get a little tricky. And I don't know if most people understand that these things that are not in the physical can get stuck in the physical. It can actually get
Yeah, they
stuck
can.
in our tissues, in our fascia, in our organs. It can cause issues in our joints, in our spine. On a chronic long-term basis, it can really start to deplete organ health.
That's exactly. You know what? I just had a client, actually, I think she was 2 shows ago. Her name was, well, it doesn't matter her name. She was on the show and she was talking about, it's Barbara. I forgot her name for a second. I'm going blind, deaf brain. But anyways, she was on the show and she experienced shoulder pain and knee pain her whole life. And that was from injuries she had from some of the childhood sexual abuse that she had suffered when she was a young girl.